Hi, my name is Piotr Garlej and welcome to Inspirations for Presentations. My primary focus in everything I do is simplicity. So let's make this simple. This series of videos will show you how you can easily create visually appealing slides for your business or sales presentation. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and click the bell so that you don't miss any future videos. And if you want to get even more free value from me, go ahead and subscribe to my free training on professional business presentations. You'll find a link to that training in the description of this video. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily create such a series of slides. I found a picture like this and I will use it in my slides. Make sure your picture is of good quality and there are no blurs when you increase its size to full slide. Now we need to paste a rectangle. Then we need another shape, just like this. You'll find it in the Shapes option in Insert tab. If we grab this little yellow circle, we can rearrange this shape a bit, so we can have it just like we want. I duplicate this shape, and next I resize them all to make them fit into the slide. Some alignment, and here it is. Very nice. Now the text. We could type the text into these shapes, but in order to make the animations and the transitions work out, we need to paste the text in separate text boxes. This is very important. Next, we have to align them properly. I duplicate one of these shapes and change the color of all the other shapes to gray. Next, I have to bring the text to the front and place this new shape here. We can use Align option. Now I duplicate this slide and I change the position of this green shape. I just place it under step 2. And I do the same thing with step 3 and step 4. Now we should paste some text. Where can I find some text? I can go to my blog at my website piotrgarlej.com. Here I have some articles and I will use a text from one of them. A very important issue is to format it properly so that it will be easy to read. But it's not a rocket science, quite easy for everyone. Now the magic will happen. I will animate it with Morph transition. Have a look. I select all these slides, I go to Transitions tab and choose Morph option. This way we created such an animation. Looks great, right? Now I will make one additional slide, which would be the intro slide. A very simple one. No picture, just a text and two rectangles. Simplicity is the key, and it looks just perfect. Did you like the slides presented in this video? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the next videos. And if you want to improve your presentation skills further, you can subscribe to my free training or check out my online course. You will find the links of both of them in the description below this video. Thank you for watching and see you soon.